You think you need help?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Just turn it upside down and dump it all out.
Okay.
Or you still want help?
Yeah.
You got it? Oh, you doing it. Perfect. Whoa. Is that a lobster? Wow, what'd you get?
Mickey Mouse in me.
You see Mickey Mouse?
And Donald.
And Donald?
Like India.
What else did you get?
Minnie. Minnie. And Dino. And
I think you got some blankets for your dolly.
oh. That. And this.
What's that? Is that a pillow for your dolly?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute.
And toys.
And a lobster?
Yeah.
What does the lobster do?